Hello everyone, in this tutorial we look into how to do keyword research with SpyFu. So what is SpyFu? SpyFu is a free tool that allows you to spy on a competitor's website and see all the keywords they are ranking for, the search volume and even the ads that are being served on Google. It is one of the best free SEO tools that can help you improve your site's search engine traffic. It does not have as many features as other keyword tools, but you will get some valuable information for free, which is a great deal. Using SpyFu is fast and straightforward. Signing up for an account is optional. For do that, go to spyfu.com. In the search bar, type the website of a competitor in your niche. So I am giving Transource. Then change the country, then click search. On the next page, you will get a lot of information. In the overview section, you will find significant numbers that include historical site data. On the left side are the metrics for organic clicks and on the right side are the numbers for paid clicks. Below, you will see a total of keywords that reached in the Google first page as well as those that fell from the first page. Scrolling down, the search result will take you to the competition and share keywords section of the competition. Here you can see a list of competition who are advertising or buying ads for the same keywords. You can also see keywords that none of the sites buying are popular in users' search. Here you will find keywords list for organic and paid methods. As you can see in the example below, organic keywords are not necessarily related to the paid keywords. If you scroll down, you can see the top pages, newly ranked keywords, inbound links means backlinks, etc. You can also check the other tabs above the section. So that's all guys, hope it will be helpful for you.